I have a number of small clamps and a few large clamps on this dust collector box that I'm making out of white oak. There's going to be another panel on this near side that will span the two walls, the left and the right hand side here. This PUR dispersion adhesive is very soupy, but all of a sudden it will set up and stick to anything. I swear I've made some silhouettes, profiles of maybe Lincoln and Jefferson on my fingers, but anyway, so here we are to this point. I'm going to be using some Spax 1 3/4 self-tapping. I'm going to do a pilot hole, and I'll put those on the ends here, so that should hold together beyond what the adhesive is. This is PUR is basically a water base, but when you let it cure for 10-12 hours, it becomes waterproof. So it's not like PVA that will fall apart. So this is the interior. So thanks for listening. Bye-bye.